Welcome this video title Enhance Your Outdoor Space. Bamboo Funch Design Idea. Introducing when it comes to transforming your outdoor space into a tranquil have bamboo funch can be a game change now of their natural beauty, sustainability, and various bamboo fans often a style and eco-friendly alternative to tranquility fans material. We will explore various bamboo fans design idea that classic can elevate the aesthetic of your gardening patio or backyard. Classic bamboo panel fans are timeless. Choose classic bamboo panel, add to touch of elegance to any outdoor setting. Those pro assembled panel are easy to installing and can is various height and weight provide both provide and aesthetic appear the natural color and textile to bamboo effectively blend with gardening make it an idea backdrop of various flower and plants. Bamboo roll panel of a more rustic and informative look. Bamboo roll fence is an excellent choice. This type of fence consists of bamboo pole connected by stud wall. It can be easiest rolled out and attached by exact panel or century. Create and install physically various bamboo roll panel is fan effect of connect less part of your outdoor space. Bamboo and material farm convene the story of material with the original charm of bamboo by incorporating material frame or add individual touch to the natural aesthetic of bamboo, create a unique and eyes catch vertical appear. Consider use material frame of bamboo panel or integration bamboo star into a material glass of a contemporary look. Bamboo gates and Arabic acclimate the charm of bamboo